Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email management with Clio Grow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Clio Grow account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. From the Settings menu, locate the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to access available options. Find the email integration options available for Clio Grow. Choose your preferred email provider from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your email account to Clio Grow. You will need to enter your email credentials for authentication. Once your email is connected, head back to the dashboard. Next, go to the Automations section. In Automations, click on Create New Automation. Select the type of email automation you want to set up. Define the criteria that will trigger the email automation. For instance, you might want to trigger emails based on client status changes. Customize your email templates for the specific automation. In the template editor, add personalized fields if necessary. Preview the email to ensure it appears as intended. Save your changes once the template is ready. Return to the automation settings to finalize the setup. Review all criteria and templates, making adjustments as needed. Activate the automation with the toggle switch. Test the automation by simulating a trigger event. Check your email inbox to confirm the automated email is sent. Monitor the performance of your email automations in the Reports section. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback and analytics. Repeat the process for any additional email automations you want to create. Your email management should now be streamlined with Clio Grow's automation features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.